Hello, children, welcome back. New day, new beginning. Let us see the thought for the day. Today's thought is an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Now, you all are at home, you have some free time. In that time, try to read good stories, good books, and try to update yourself day by day. So, this investment in knowledge will always going to pay best interest. Moving on to page number 25, we have finished with reading, explanation, and answer the following questions as well as opposites related to the story Three Sacks of Rice. Please turn to page number 25, language study. I hope all are ready with the book. Let us read some example and understand what we are going to learn today. Read the highlighted words. All three of them were honest, kind, and hardworking. The three words honest, kind, and hardworking are highlighted. You are such an honest person. Again, honest is highlighted. What are these words? These are adjectives. Adjectives are describing words, and what do they describe? They tell us something more about the noun or pronoun. It is used to indicate either the quality of noun or it answers the question what kind. Let us read some more examples. Here is about adjectives. An adjective, or we say describing word, is a word that tells us something more about a noun or pronoun. Shall we read some more examples? We can. Anup is a tall boy. The word tall is highlighted as well as underlined, and it is describing about Anup. Anup is a boy, we have that information. Tall is additional input that we are getting, something describing about the noun Anup. This house is new. Again, we are getting something more about the noun house. How is the house? Or you can say, what kind of house is it? It is new. Samir is an intelligent boy. Intelligent is again adjective of quality. It is describing the noun Samir. What kind of boy is Samir? Samir is an intelligent boy. This story is good. What kind of story is it? The story is good. So adjectives are describing words and they describe the noun or pronoun is a sentence. If I say the question is simple, how is the question? Simple. Or I can ask you the question, what kind of question is it? And you will say it is simple. This drawing is beautiful. What kind of drawing is it? Beautiful. So, beautiful will be the describing word or adjective. Question number 2. List as many words as you can that will go with the given adjectives. One example they have given sudden, sudden change, sudden shower, sudden fall. What we are supposed to do? We have to add one noun. Adjectives have been given. We will couple this adjective with a noun. Some adjectives they have given simple, odd, only, honest, and long. Let us see what noun we can add with the given adjective simple. It can be simple dress, simple food, simple lifestyle. Three examples I have given you. If you wish to write one or two more, please do add. Odd. Odd is which is not common, you can say uncommon. Odd question, odd job, odd dress. Only. Only child, only suggestion, only daughter. Honest. Honest man, you can write honest child, honest boy, honest girl, honest reply, honest friend. And long. So, what are we doing in language study? Question number 2. Adjectives have been given and The word that we are writing is the noun. Long, long jump, long recess, long drive. So question number 2, you are going to write in notebook and today's homework. Read the first and second paragraph of the story and find out at least 5 adjectives. Please turn to page number 23. We are going to read and I am going to help you out to find the adjectives. You can write down those adjectives in your notebook. Right now we are reading the first and second paragraph, but you can read the story and you can find out more. So shall we start? Here we go. Page number 23, 3 sacks of rice. You may have read many stories about 3 brothers. So in the first line, the word 3. How many brothers were there? 3. This is adjective of number. Usually 2 of them, the elder ones, are strong, clever but unkind. So if I ask you the question, what type of brother or what kind of brothers were they? You have the answers. Strong, clever, unkind. These are again the adjectives. Right now you can underline them with your pencil. So in the first sentence we have found one adjective, 3. It is adjective of quantity, adjective of number. And strong, clever but unkind. Don't underline but, just underline strong, clever, unkind. These are all adjectives of quality. They laugh at the youngest one because he is too simple and soft hearted. What kind of person is the youngest one? Simple, soft hearted. Again, 2 adjectives you can underline. So, let us read the second paragraph. Our story also has 3 brothers who lived in a small town, but they were all 3 of them honest, kind, and hardworking. No need to underline 3 because we have already marked this word. Who lived in a small town. Town is the noun. What type of town? Small. So you can underline this word small. It is again a describing word. Honest, kind, hardworking. 3 words you can underline. The elder one ran a shop. The middle one was a priest and youngest one had just finished his education. He had started taking up odd jobs to earn some money and to learn a trade. So odd jobs, what kind of jobs? Odd. Jobs is the noun and odd is the describing word or adjective. You can underline odd also. So this is how you can read and find out more words. So this is all for today. Let us meet in the next session. Till then, stay safe, stay indoors. Thank you.